Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Anka Kumar Shrestha. I am 45 years old. I am from Nepal. I have 6 members in my family. I passed SLC higher secondary school. I have 5 years work experience in poultry farm in Nepal. My job is care poultry and feeding and water, cleaning and washing area. This poultry farm area. I collecting eggs, cleaning room and area, and I want to come to European country as I probably farm to worker to earn money and support my family. I am a hardworking and honest person. I will complete in my contract. I will follow company rules and policy and property.